Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, I'm down in Kentucky for my first hunt of the season. October 17th, it's early muzzleloader. So I saw some deer. I didn't shoot anything, but let's check out some wildlife and get a little fresh air. So it took about a half gallon, and all these batteries are interconnected, but also the juice lines, the distilled lines. So it's much easier using this. I definitely recommend whatever electric you get, make sure you get this easy setup. I got the backup generator back in here. If you remember last, I was using it to build those two deer towers up on the hill. I got my camo netted tarp to cover this machine up, so it's looking good. Brought my backup office chair. This is for the new tower blind deep in the woods. I got a little bit of scrap carpeting. I'll probably put this in tomorrow. The wind is no good for that stand tonight anyways. Okay, I can't divulge too much, but we've got several updates coming on the cabin rehab projects. Mrs. Kapper's been working like a fiend, and I'm going to tell you, she's made progress. It's getting close to being done. That's her kitchen chandelier that is actually in now, but you'll see that shortly. She has a couple updates coming, so definitely stay tuned for those, because we're looking pretty good right now. Thanks. Alright, first hunt of the year. Got the electric intimidator. Got all my orange. Let's see what happens. Crappy wind, not good at all. But we're gonna try it. They were right here at my watering hole. Okay, so this is one of two brand new deer towers I put up in the last few weeks or so, and stay tuned for one of the next episodes, because I'm going to move this after just one hunt tonight. You're going to learn why, but definitely stay tuned. Don't forget, if you enjoy our content, please hit the like button and share it. So let's get on with the first hunt of 2020 between either our Illinois or Kentucky farms, and let's enjoy some peace and quiet. I've been standing here now for a minute, and the wind has been out of 3 different directions. Right now it's coming right at us. Oh boy, it's going to be a tough call. But it's coming exact opposite of what the Weather Channel is saying. Exact opposite. Okay, I got my ozonics, my scent control. On this left side, I'm looking at a nice greens plot. Up the gut here in the center, I got another nice green plot and a corn feeder, which is legal in Kentucky. And then on the right side here, I'm just looking up a lane that they tend to travel. Okay, and I'm also trying out the new face paint from Slay, which is different than what I'm used to. People have made fun of me for this, but I honestly don't really care, because last year I put an arrow in a 180-inch deer on a medium-sized property, and yeah, I don't get burned very often, so I take kind of hunting a little bit seriously, and you should too, I guess. That is, if you hope to see big deer at some point without just sheer luck. Okay, so I learned some valuable lessons. The very first deer I saw was up this lane. It was a buck, and it busted me because I was backlit here. And you're going to see me move this tower tomorrow. Because of the lessons I've learned, I miscalculated two things, which I'll explain later. So now I really can't look out that left window because it's backlit by the sunset. But let's keep moving on and see some deer.